My name is John Kerek. We're in Cleveland, Ohio at Kerek Industries. I'm a third generation owner. We work with medical equipment manufacturers, optics manufacturers, pump and valve, and sports and leisure. The way that we're approaching business today is to find ways for the machines to do more and the operator to do less. Most recently, we purchased a DS30Y behind us. That machine has taken a part we are currently running from a 2 operation to 1 operation complete, and we're doing it in less time. So the part that we are running on our DS30 is critical in the alignment of milled components and cross-filled components. We had a hard time doing that on a lathe mill operation. Putting on the DS30, the 2 spindles are synchronized, we work together, and it's a much better quality part coming off.
There was a dramatic improvement of quality of the part that came off. We now hold plus or minus 1 thou all day long unattended. The machine's tooled about 90% with Haas brand tooling. It's been running about 2 weeks with the same inserts in it. It's pretty amazing.
The DS30 has reduced our cycle time maybe 20%, but then in volume that it's able to do with the addition of the bar feeder and probing features with the lights out is immeasurable. We're basically able to add another shift of parts without having to add a body. From a cost saving standpoint, the UMC has allowed us to reduce our setup time through the probing feature and the loading of tools. The setup time obviously is reduced some as well due to the number of vices and the transition of parts through it. We've taken parts up from our mills where we're running 3 vices to a 4th axis. We then transitioned it to our UMC 750 and we're running it on 2 vices. That means the operator touches it half the time and we're getting a better quality part because the machine can orient everything and reliably position the components to each other. One of the other features that we really like is that we're not buying as much custom tooling. You can use an end mill to do chamfers on the side of a part. The table turns. You can reduce the tooling in the machine to reduce the number of tool changes to help reduce cycle time.
We found with the 750 that we can do many different jobs that had multiple steps previously in 2 vices. So we can rotate everything on vice 1 and then remove material on vice 2, and it's a complete part, 1 shot. Dynamic work offsetting helped us switch from a 3-axis to a 5-axis. By making the switch from the program easier, we literally just put the G254 into the program and ran it on the 5-axis, and it works.
Haas has been a really big help in helping us earn business and keep business. The reliability of the machines and the uptime that the machines have has been immense. We can rely on the machines to run the parts that we need when we need them and deliver the quality part that our customers are expecting. I don't look at this business as a machine shop, I look at it as a technology center. When we were founded as a machine shop, it was mechanical, it was dirty. Today, it's CNCs, it's computers, it's robots, it's clean. It's just a much different business than it was when I originally started. And that's really exciting to see, and it's only going to get better.